In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can organize your personal life right here in ClickUp. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to app.clickup.com and log in to your ClickUp account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, you can simply create and start from scratch, or you can use one of ClickUp's templates right here. So, on the search node, I'm going to search for personal. Let's see what we find. As you can see, there's a personal development plan, personal habit tracker, anything that you can use for your personal life. So let's choose one, for example. Let's say for a personal development plan. So I'm going to use this template. I'm going to type in a list name, choose the location, and then I have an option to either import everything or customize the import items. As per the start and due dates, I can import it as is or remap the dates. And I also have the option to include the archive task. Once you're done choosing, use template. Now, ClickUp will then add this to your left panel, in which after your template is now ready for use. As you can see, there's also a getting started guide that can help you navigate through this template. If you can see, there's a plan and action, a progress tracker, a board, a PD per quarter, everything that can help you organize your personal life. And of course, since this template is for free, you have full access to customize and edit this according to your needs and liking. And that's it. So, if you want to support our channel, feel free to use the affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.